Come and take a ride with me through my deepest thoughts. As I look around this world every day, I'm getting lost. Don't know which road to choose, and I don't know what to cross. This path that I'm taking and all these brick walls. Maybe someday I'll find success, happiness in my life with no regrets. But until that day, there's no time to relax. Gotta keep on moving and get to the next checkpoint in my life. Does equality exist? To me it doesn't, cause people lost through prejudice. Just look at the way they treat us minorities. We ain't getting the same respect and they look at us differently. And to me the Asians are always left out. Even if you're good at what we do, they have doubts. Not about our abilities, but about the way we look. People still only judge by the cover. These are my deepest thoughts. How about this world and life, and every day what I see is everything alright. Despite all the bullshit that people give me, I still stand up on my 2 feet and have the heart to lead. These are my deepest thoughts. How about this world and life, and every day what I see is everything alright. Despite all the bullshit that people give me, I still stand up on my 2 feet and have the heart to lead. As I look around this place, what I see through my eyes is a shady ass world with a bunch of lies. They lie to us people when they hide the truth, which is we'll never find peace no matter what we do. Hard times and struggle, this is life. Success isn't close even if it's in sight. Never give up your dreams without a fight. And happiness don't come to you overnight. If this ain't right, then tell me what is. Why do we sin in this life that we live? We never get back the same amount that we give. And to have what you want, you gon' have to take risks. Sometimes I wonder if people understand me when I say these lyrics. Do they even feel me? I ain't tryna preach, I'm just tryna reach the people that feel the same way as me. In this life, everybody ain't gon' like you. That's why I stay true in the things that I do. Try to reach people as many ways as I can. I'm growing up and now it's time to be a man. I don't love them bitches and I don't love them hoes, but I love real women and the girls that know right from wrong. But everyone make mistakes, and I wish one day we all could take a break from this life. How about this world and life, and every day what I see is everything alright. Despite all the bullshit that people give me, I still stand up on my 2 feet and have the heart to lead. These are my deepest thoughts. How about this world and life, and every day what I see is everything alright. Despite all the bullshit that people give me, I still stand up on my 2 feet and have the heart to lead.
Cái chị nói đi là giờ chị hãy giống mù là
à chợ mua phong du cho hay chợ ok là dễ lên cho mà
giờ hai kia là yêu là dễ nên kia là yêu là em cũng cái yêu xa cái mù là mua
à là dễ coi giờ nè trẻ thôi nhau trẻ tôi phải làm mà
cái gì à
mua lên nó
mua nó nè liền cũng nè mua cho nên nát rau là cũng chỉ
tao kia này tôi chỉ luôn là à
cháu rồi có cái bao tiền con kia nhá hồng ít tao mà nè chả nó có chủ mua nè có chủ muốn gì chị có chỉ tao nhá hồng kia liền hồng mua
à
trả tiền nhá con chơi nhá mua
con chơi của chị nãy họ của nãy kia nó mình chơi nhau hồng muốn là họ
có chị có bảo bảo chị nãy đi nó chơi lại những chị phụ chơi nhá hồng kia đi nè
của giờ mà
chị là mà chẳng có vô chùa luôn
chơi nên hả ôn này hả hả
cái mù ra
hả
cái mù ra
nó tên
cái đó này to
mù này ca mù trong cơ
nhà to
cái đó này tên là ở cái là gì đó của lu nhà nó I want go America. Vì hello, anh trú vì hello, anh phải vì hello. I want go to America Festival Saturday. mong sẽ sự thật từng nhưng gọi đi tương bao số bỏ lại dễ dưa phải xin nào cái này
hả
nó có bao nhiêu thế đến năm tới passport tên vì sao thế nó cho con lúc nãy chỉ chế lòng nó cũng
có lên đó mà những chị mình cho trọng hài nó của tất tông đi những chị cho cả có gì chị cho cái mua đèn nha và bữa sẽ tông chén nào đâu có cũng là có bảo
nó lúc chưa
sẽ tông trả gì có một gia thì có phụ tông của mua sao? Ở nhà có là chỉ mua cái làm trâu tụi mình nhỏ mà.
Mua không mua lắm mà, nó cũng thế là sẽ phát xì là thế cho cái nó nè, mua hay là này chỉ mua không mua nè, này mua đã chụp là cái nó.
Các tụi chơi mua thì các bố bao hai chè luôn tụi mình nhỏ luôn mà nè, xẻ bị chặt thăm mỏ nè, có là tao này em trâu luôn tay mình nhỏ đi.
Không có cũng chỉ bao, này tấm mình, nếu chỉ bao thì cũng thế nè, nhà tiền nè, đặt lá chỉ mà lại kho nè, kho cái gì nè chỉ bao.
có thể nuôi tụi mình nhiều nữa cái món trọi nó bèn cái lại con đâu có nó đó còn lúc cái lại buôn tàu đó thấy tí chỉ mua là sạp bùi gì bùn tua á để chơi thả ra đó
cũng chỉ kêu cũng chỉ sẽ phải kêu cái nó cũng chỉ mà sẽ nó này thả luôn
các tụi chơi mua cái này à cái gì cha là thế nào
cho cha lon trà trên đầu tuổi mà có xe chán đầu cơ
dạ là trong đi đó nó
thế cũng một cho bao nhiêu lồng phao thế cho bao nhiêu cho cổ cá cái bác vừa thích cho mẹ
lo chơi mua nhớ nào sẽ chơi mua
chứ hồi chỉ mua cho cá
chả có một sản tàu luôn à tên nhỏ nào sẽ mê thế này tăng bằng mê thế này
ai chế đun trâu tu đấy lon trà cho nó à
mua
chỉ mua cho cá
cho sản tàu là mua có chỉ mua rồi nó chỉ lười dọc cái chỉ tao mua đi nè có phải bao mua nào gì đó mua sản tàu mà
còn nhon rồi nè nó nè cũng tìm mà cũng thấy rằng số đâu mà cũng chẳng nó lột cho mà cho có một chuyện mình lo mà nó có á thế mà một số mà vô nè cha nó có rồi nó nhon
nhớ cho nó thế gì tôi lỗi thế này
con nè
hả
bây giờ mông này của tao bỏ đuôi này còn mông tao tới đi
cho nó có gì cho nên nói chơi cho nên mong qua nhà bố bị tao xe cho nên bụng bú là có xe một chạm một phụ khử tao hồng tới chị cho nên mong qua bụng bú là uất tê cho bố bị tao trống xóa
con này chơi hơn lại cả bây giờ
do cơ mà có gì sao cái này chơi nhanh giờ luôn đó sao chết rồi hả cho bé cái tôm đi
nó mặc cái tôm đi rồi cho bé này đây thu rồi nè có thể tụi tôi con lù nè xem để thu nè
mua xong rồi có gì
lúc của tụi tôi được chuẩn á không nên thêm nữa con à
mua xong con á mua ra tiểu là chơi hú sạt tông nó của có gì bài ca cái gì mua xong à mua nó chơi qua trong xa cái gì bài ca mua xong à ủa đi đã mà mua chút là nó
con này là chỉ bôi khơi rượu là chỉ bao chạy thì rượu nó sẽ với chạy rượu to
đâuยื่นบัตรมาดูแล้วเอาหันมาฝั่งนี้
บาทไหม
บัตรมีไหม
ông
Mi bàn bé. โอ้นี่ยังมั้งเหรอ
giờ mà bây giờ mua
โอ้ถอดเส้นบ่า
ấy chỉ muốn bà
นี่จุ่มบ่าเอ้ในตัวเขาจุ่มบ่ามาลงเลยเร็ว
lông ma
เร็วเร็วนั่งก่อนนั่ง
năng ơi
เร็ว
lông ma một lời
นั่งก่อนลงมานั่งก่อน
năng
ลงมาก่อน
โอ้ยบนลงมาเราคนไทย
คนไทยแล้วเอาบัตรมาดูมั่วบัตรเราใช้
chỉ nhỏ khang à tôi cũng muốn chọn được con này rồi
อยู่แต่อยู่ยังหนึ่งไทยเขาจุ่มบ่าเจโตซามุมบลอซะ
กูยังมุ่งไม่กล้านะ
ก็มูเมกา
เขาว่าไงนะ
หนึ่งไทยจุ่มบ่าน่ะไกลรอน่ะ
ลงมา
อย่ากูไกลร้อนจียุ่งหงยาเองกูจะต้องยุ่งหงมุ่งไม่กล้านี่ล้ากูปียุ่งหงยากีนะ
เขาว่าไงนะอเมริกาอีอ่ะ
เขาบอกว่า เดี๋ยวเขาเดินทางไปช้าแล้วเครื่องบินไปแล้วเขาไม่ได้ไปอเมริกาเนี่ยให้เรารับผิดชอบ
ไปสหรัฐอเมริกาไม่มีบัตรนี่นะ
ไม่มีบัตรนี่ฮะจะไปได้
ลงมาไม่มีบัตรละลงมาเลยไม่มีบัตรละไปอเมริกาได้ไง
ก็แต่ก็ยอนหนึ่งไทย
คนไทยก็ต้องมีบัตรดิ
ชิคกี้พาย
ลงมา
เต๋อ
เลย
อ่ะ
ลงมาเลย
จอดเนี่ยมึงลองใจเชยที่ลูก
นั่ง
รอ
นั่งเลย
นั่งก่อน
Vì sao tiện chơi mông thay là mông ploi à, lịch bê thế xưa.
กูยังหงไทยนะกูเป้าแต่เนี่ยเชื่อนะอย่างมึงเรากูจิตใจเกเรเสียกูเชื่อของเราคืนก่อนนะ
Mì cà nó chỉ muốn nón tỏi thế này.
เลยยังมั่วแล้วแต่ชินจินเจ้ากล้าซะนะ
ลุกแล้วก็ไปลงชื่อก่อนไป
trong bê tỏ dỗ mất đi
Lúc lên, lúc
ta
lên.
phải không đồng lo mô
ลุก
được chưa
ไปลงชื่อ
cho có chim mô
ไปเลย
mô
มีใบขี่ไหมแบบขี่ก็ถูกต้อง แต่ว่าขนมุ้งเรานี่ผิดนะรถประจำทางคงจะอนุโลมให้ได้อยู่ แต่ว่าต่อไปห้ามให้เห็นนี่นะครับ โอเค ไป
บ้านป่าช้า
อยู่บ้านป่าช้า
เอ้า
เจ๊เช็ดโต
เอาไปขึ้นรถคนต่อไป
ชื่อ
Huân dua.
ตัวแซ่ว่า
ว่างอยู่
nó lúi gió đó chị
Nhớ tình quả.
อยู่เจ๊เช็ดโต
คนต่อไป
คนต่อไป
เอามาเซ็นชื่อก่อน
จุดตัวมา
เร็วเขาไปกันหมดแล้วเร็ว
เก่งนะ
จุดตัวมาเราตรง
ไป
เบ
เซ็นชื่อไปไปดิชื่ออะไร
luật cho
ชื่อ
yêu
อะไร
cái đầu
ชื่ออะไร
ra
บอกมาเร็ว
chim lông lù trái gì lùa lão cha
กูคนไทยอ่ะจะส่งกูไปเราได้ยังไง
คนไทยที่ไหนบ้านอยู่ตรงไหนยืนยันว่าเป็นคนไทยอ่ะเซ็นชื่อแล้ว
ไม่แซงหรอก
ๆมาชื่ออะไร
có lúng bề hù đi cha
เว้ยก็ล่ะกูยังนางไทยล่ะไอ้ส่งกูมึงลองกูจะเต้าล่ะ
ติดเตียมา
มันก็ตุ้อานี่แหละชื่อเนี่ย
เทียนจงมีว่า
ชื่ออะไร
ไอ้เจี๊ยก็ตุ้อานี่แหละ
ไอ้ทำชื่ออะไรนะ
ก็ตุ้อานี่แหละ
야, 진짜. 껍질이 랑네 마. 개가론 배를 전에 타이네 레틸리 진다. 그새 레틸이 고목간다 더 진아.
ไอ้กูแหล่งเงินเสถียรเราเต้กูย่อตื่น
이거 막 문화 빼냐네. 빼도 빼랑 주의 빼만리 빠. 주의 저거 걔라 못 타대 뭐.
แน่ในหมู่บ้านมันเจ๊กูตัวพี่ย่อ
문화 빼냐네. 사베셔도 무제 하지 nhau 홍고 와서라. 빼만리 말리 빠 주의 저거 에. 그막 걔나 깔라 타대야. 타이 thêm lo nó người kể đê so kể ní đê nắc khủng thế này có bảo bao giờ thấy tôi một con đầu túi chìm đó bé thì tao lại chìm đầu là bé lần nó rong lại muốn có chứ không
ไปเซ็นชื่อก่อนผมไม่ต้องไปหรอกไว้นี่แหละ
เอาลงเลย
เอาละนานแล้วเสียเวลาแล้วลองชื่อเอาชื่ออะไรจริงๆเอา
บุริจาเจียมา
ชื่อตู้เสียอาน่ะ
ตู้เทียอา
ตู้
ตู้
หา
เทียอา
เฮียนามสกุล
ก็รู้สึกเนี่ย
ได้มึงเกิด
ดอยมุกเกิด
มูเกิด
เอาเป็นว่าจบแล้วนะ
เรียบร้อย
อ่ะ
เรียบร้อยนะ
บัว
ไป
พาตัวไป
ได้เหรอ
กูหมูเราได้ละยกกู帮你三龙斗多了，กู封你ก่อนนี่ป้องหนอตันพอเลย
ไป
จิงกุจ้ามูก็มาให้
อะไร
เรากูแต่กูมองไทยอ่ะกูเจียไทยกูเนี่ยมองกูมองไทย
ไปไหม
พ่อคนไทยแม่มองนี่ก็มองไทยเนี่ยแล้วกูมูไปสุกูแล้วก็ป้องก่อนนี่ป้องหนอตันโชว์ที่สิย่องพวกกูมองเต่าเลย
ขึ้นขึ้น
Come and take a ride with me through my deepest thoughts. As I look around this world, every day I'm getting lost. Don't know which road to choose, and I don't know what to cross. This path that I'm taking, and all these brick walls. Maybe someday I'll find success, happiness in my life with no regrets. But until that day, there's no time to relax. Gotta keep on moving and get to the next checkpoint in my life. Does equality exist? To me it doesn't, cause people love the prejudice. Just look at the way they treat us minorities. We ain't getting the same respect and they look at us differently. And to me the Asians are always left out. Even if you're good at what we do, they have doubts. Not about my abilities, but about the way we look. People still only judge by the cover. These are my deepest thoughts about this world and life. And every day what I see is everything alright. Despite all the bullshit that people give me, I still stand up on my 2 feet and have the heart to lead. These are my deepest thoughts about this world and life. And every day what I see is everything alright.
เอาละตอนนี้ถึงชายแดนละให้ท่านดูแลเขาก่อนนะ แล้วก็ให้ผมไปเจรจาฝั่งโน้นก่อนอีกสักพักเดี๋ยวยังไงเดี๋ยวผมมาบอกให้ค่อยส่งเขาไปเนาะ
ครับผม
เรียบร้อยแล้วฝั่งโน้น
นี่เป็นรายชื่อคนต้องหานะครับ
ไป
โอ้รู้สึกตัว